Teacher Ching is back. It's time to study English once again. Today's vocabularies are flower, tree, rock, river, bird, and lake. And remember that we say a if there is only one. And we add s to the word if there are two or more. For example, if there is only one tree, we say a tree. And if there are two or more, we say trees. Another example, a flower, flowers. A bird, birds. A rock, rocks. Alright, it's time to have some fun. Let's visit some beautiful parks and help me tell the things I can see there. Let's go! I can see flowers. I can see trees. I can see a lake. I can see birds. I can see a river. I can see rocks. What about you? What can you see? To answer the question, you have to say this sentence pattern. I can see blank. On the blank, you have to use the vocabularies in our lesson. Ready? What can you see? What can you see? What can you see? What can you see? You did a great job. You can learn more of this lesson on pages 40 and 41 of your book, Everybody Up. Did you have fun today? I hope you did. Thank you for learning with me today. See you soon at school. Bye!